Hello, Tony Culture here. I'm riding over to New York City right about now, and I don't know what the traffic is looking like further, but right now I'm moving nicely on 21 now. What's this? 21 South, I believe, going towards Route 3 East. Get over there in New York City. New York City. City's so nice, I got to name it twice, y'all. And hey, what's up to everyone on my Facebook wall? Hey, don't you forget that Monday nights, Tony Culture Time presents Lovey Dovey Reggae Monday from 10 p.m. until 12 midnight. And on Tuesday nights, it's New Tunes Tuesday from 8 p.m. until 10 p.m. On Thursday nights, it's Tony Culture Time. Anything goes. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And remember, all those times are Eastern Standard Times, all right? So whatever time it works out in your respective locations, you make sure so you pay attention to that. See? And on Saturdays, it's Musical Therapy, 2 p.m. until 4 p.m. So that's about it right now. Tony Culture Time. Yeah, let me go drive this vehicle and pay attention to the road. See? Yeah, one love.